this is mostly complete. I put a little false bottom in here, got that all blocked off and nice. And I'm going to insulate this part here. It's not going to be the biggest cooler in the world, but should do a decent job for me. So get set up, take some measurements, and we'll start cutting some foam. Okay. Oh. Well, we're gonna have to figure out a way. Maybe cut a little notch so you get it out of there, but I think that'll do pretty good. I would test it out, but I mean the daytime high temperatures lately have been 25 degrees, 30 degrees, so it should keep stuff cold now. So I'll have to wait till it warms up to really test it, but I think it's gonna work good. Alright, we're in the back of the truck. I had to put some, it's hard to see, put some drawer stops on for this drawer. And I got the foam cut for this. Got a little notch in here to lift that out of there. So that should work pretty good for that. This is my water tank. Once winter finally leaves, I'll get worried about that, but that should be 25 gallons. And then I can still have some room over here for storage or stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna do over there, but I'll get all these, I can get all my hoses and stuff ran up around the wheel well and out to the end of the bed, so I'll be able to fill it. And I got a little water pump I'll put under there too. So, but right now with the daytime high is only getting up to about 30, 35. It's starting to warm up a little, but it's still getting too cold at night that I don't want to deal with water, so I'll wait till summer. But hopefully you guys enjoyed that little cooler build. So thanks for watching. Tune in next time. Diesel heater install next time.